How to fix blurry AI images in Gemini. So if you want to improve your image quality and sharpness instantly, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. After opening your browser, you need to search for Gemini. After searching, you need to go with gemini.google.com, and here you need to go with the plus button right here. Once you click on the plus button, you need to go with upload files and go and select a file, any image that you're comfortable with. After entering the image, you need to go with a prompt that tells Gemini how to enhance the photo. You can use a prompt like, for example, enhance and restore this blurry image. And you can also enter the prompt like remove blur and noise, sharpen details, improve lighting and contrast, and upscale the image to high resolution, something like that. You can just simply go and enter the prompt. After entering the prompt, you need to just simply hit the enter. And within seconds, Gemini will process the image. And once it's finished, you will have a clearer and a sharper version of your photo. Or you can also try another prompt, which is upscale this image to 4K resolution and with some more details. So that's how you can fix your blurry AI images in your Gemini. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.